Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to format the tables created in our Word documents. In my previous tutorial, we have seen how to format the table using Design tab and customizing advanced table properties. If you want to delete specific rows, columns, cells, or the entire table, place a insertion point and come to Layout. Come to Rows and Columns group, click on Delete option. We will get a pop-up menu. Choose a element you want to delete from your table. Here I want to select to delete cells. Again we will get another window. We need to choose an option. Shift cells left, shift cells up, delete entire row or delete entire column. I want to select shift cells left. Okay. Similarly, if you want to delete the column, place a insertion point in any cell in that column. Again come to delete option. Select to delete columns and follow the same procedure to delete the rows and entire table. Click on undo option on quick access toolbar to revise the previous section. After this we can insert additional rows or columns in a table. Place a insertion point. First I want to create rows. Depending on the requirement, select the options insert above or insert below options to create the rows with respect to the selected cell. I want to create a row above the selected cell. Similarly, I want to create a row below this cell and follow the same procedure for inserting columns. Select a cell, click on insert left, then it will create a column in left side. Similarly, click on insert right and we will get the column in right side. Next come to merge. Suppose you want to merge multiple cells as a single cell. Select the cells you want to merge and click on merge cells option. Then the multiple cells converted as a single cell by removing the borders in between those cells. Similarly, let's apply the merge cells for this row. We can also select the multiple cells with the data to merge. Don't worry about losing the data. We will get the same data in the cells before the merging. After this, again if you want to split the merged cells, click on that cell, come to merge group and click on split cells. Then split cells window opens and shows how the cells is splits into number of columns 2 and number of rows 1. Okay. Again I want to split this. Not only this, we can also split the table into two tables. Select a cell or row and click on split table option. Then the table splits into two. Notice that the selected row will become the first row of the new table. Again I want to undo the action. Next come to auto fit. Here we will get three options: auto fit contents, auto fit window and fixed column width. To fit the columns to the text, select auto fit contents, or to fit the table to the text, select auto fit window, so that table cells are expanded and distributed equally to the window size, and select the option fixed to column width. If you don't want auto fit to automatically adjust your table or column width, let's check it. Click on auto fit contents and it fit the columns to the text. Again come to auto fit, select auto fit window, then the cells are expanded and distributed equally to the window size. And after this, if you want to change the column width, bring your cursor on right side of the column boundary you want to move. Before this I want to split the cells. Now bring the cursor to the boundary, click and drag. Similarly, to change the width to specific volume, click any cell in a column, come to Layout tab, in Cell Size group, click on up and down arrows to change the column width. Also we have Auto Fit Contents in Auto Fit group, which make the columns in a table automatically fit to the content or text. Similarly, follow the same procedure for changing row height. We can also do this by clicking on up and down arrows. Also we have distribute columns and distribute rows to make multiple columns or row size to the same size. We can also select this for specific rows or columns, or apply this to old table. And to resize an entire table manually, bring the cursor to lower right corner of the table. Then we will get a double-sided arrow. Drag it until we get a table size we want. Next, we can use different options showing in alignment group to align the text in a cell. And we can change the text direction within a selected cell. Click on text direction. And if we click this multiple times, it will change the text into different directions. Sometimes we need to customize cell margins and the spacing between the cells. For that, click on cell margins. We will get table options window. Come to default cell margins. We can modify top, bottom, left and right values by clicking on up and down arrows. Click on OK. And to customize the spacing, again come to cell margins, come to default cell spacing, select this box, allow spacing between the cells, and click on OK. Then we will get the cell spacing between all the cells in our table. After this, we can use sort option to alphabetize the selected text or sort numerical data. Select the cells in a column and click on sort option. Come to sort by, select column 1, then by column 1, column 1. Come to type. Here we can select text, number and date. I want to select number only. And also select how to sort the data, ascending or descending. I want to select ascending. Click on OK. Now the numbers are placed in ascending order. Again select the columns, click on sort. This time I want to select descending. Click on OK. And when we are preparing a table, sometimes it may extend beyond a single page. So it may be difficult to find the data in a specific heading. Again we need to scroll up and look for that heading. Instead of that, we can repeat the header rows on every page, clicking on repeat headers. Then we will get the header in next page where our table extend beyond a single page. And we can use convert to text option to convert the table to regular text. Select the text, click on convert to text option. Then it will open convert to table to text window. Here we need to select the separator. We can select the paragraph marks, tabs, commas and other separators. I want to select two commas, click on OK, and the table is converted into regular text. And after this we have formula option in data group. We can use this to add a formula to a cell to perform a simple calculation such as average, sum, count and so on. Here I want to remove this text. Come to formula option. Here it is showing the sum formula for the above selected cells. Click on OK. Similarly, come to item 2, click on formula. This time I want to select average. In brackets, please type above. Click on OK. Like this, we can use different formulas showing in paste function. Like this, we can format the tables created in Microsoft Office Word 2007 documents. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. ITbud143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.